morning, guys. So it is around 7 a.m. We're going to the beach right now to film the sunrise as we film a video for you guys. See that? I didn't even bring water. I wonder how the sound is on the video. Testing 1 2 1 2. I have a text message at 7 a.m. That's my boo. We filmed a video yesterday. Well, guys, today you're gonna get a video that's really dark because my good friend Catriona here forgot to change the light settings, and so we recorded in the dark the whole time. Wait, there's a string in your face. It's the flower.
Look at your blue. You can see your blue so much better now. 2, setting 3, setting 4.
Catriona, how could you? You're sabotaging my channel.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Isn't that so pretty?
That's gonna melt right into your skin.
Look at that.
Stunning.
Boom! Boom!
I was proof, sweat resistant, like all that good stuff. So
really, throw it on, baby girl. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You ain't gonna want it because it's a pimple vector.
You can't even see that. The same exact video at the place where we're staying in St. Augustine for her, kind of like we're giving her away into marriage. It's like her bachelorette, but it's not really. It is.
It is.
It is.
It's a low-key one though. Like we're not crazy.
No, the sun is a little bit intense right now. I can't.
Yeah,
really,
it's like right. Like you can see, it's like hitting us. It's like.
But it's so beautiful.
We're gonna get going.
You think?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
Yo, don't rush my intro, girl.
I know, I just don't want to be blind at this point.
Oh, the beach pool makeup tutorial that we filmed yesterday is really for people that have been asking me what kind of makeup they should wear to a pool party, beach party, or sometimes just when they're going out with their significant other and they don't want to go barefaced. So we're gonna do a really quick makeup video on how I do my makeup for the beach when I go, and then how she does her makeup for the beach. 2 different skin tones. I wish we had a darker friend next to me for the darker ladies, but I don't. But anyways, we'll tell you some things that you can use, and it would be kind of the same concept. You go first, friend.
Okay.
I'm just gonna spray my face with Fix Plus.
Okay. I don't spray my face just because I have more oily skin. But I got this product in Spain a couple of years ago.
Oh yeah, tell them where you're from.
I'm from Ireland. I moved to America about like
5 years ago.
Like 6 or 7 years ago.
No way.
I
hit 5 years in March.
Okay.
You moved in August, it was still 5 years.
Then it was 5 years. Okay, oh my god. But anyway, I swear by this product. It is actually a sunscreen. So a sun protector. I don't know, what do you guys call it over here?
SPF.
Okay, because we call it sunscreen back home.
You can call it sunscreen here too. I'm not, I'm Spanish. I don't really know the right terms. Y'all should know this by watching my channel. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Where's your mirror, girl? Because I can't see. Nada.
But anyway, this is an SPF, but it has a tint to it. So it looks like you're wearing foundation, but it's actually sunscreen, and it's a 50, so it's like not gonna burn you at all.
Let them know exactly what SPF is, because a lot of people don't know this. They think that the higher the SPF is, the less tan they're gonna get.
This is something that I've been researching a lot lately. SPF is sun protection factor, and it basically just tells you how long, like the number is how long it will stay on you before the sun actually starts damaging your skin.
Yeah. She's been wearing 50 the whole time we've been here, and she's still getting super tan. I've been wearing 15 and I'm getting tan and burnt. So I think I'm gonna switch it up and wear 50 today.
Yeah, especially on your face.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't want those wrinkles from those sun.
No. So all I did was curl my lashes while she's applying that. I moisturize my face with my Avene cream that I've been talking to you guys about frequently, and especially in my skin vlog when I was having my skin issues. So I don't apply anything else to my face after that. I forgot my brush.
Go with your hands. It's a natural.
Okay. I'm going to be using my BareMinerals Bare Skin Sheer Sun Serum Bronzer. I, having drier skin, love liquid cream products for the beach or pool. So that's kind of like my angle. What's yours?
Because I'm a little bit oily and I'm so fair, my main goal is to make sure I don't get burnt. Just like a powder to kind of help like control any shine, especially with like sunscreen, like you get like super oily and super shiny with it. So I just like will set it a little bit just in my T-zone with the powder, just because I don't want to look too like I've got makeup on, like I want it to look a little bit more like skin-like and natural.
I'm just putting on this serum like I would a face moisturizer, and it's just giving me a nice glow.
Oh yeah.
Which I love.
It looks really nice.
You like it?
Yeah. My bright mirror.
For a darker skin tone, you think the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer for like, not SPF, but like...
To bronze the skin? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to give a little bit more like glow and color to the skin.
So for darker skin,
yeah,
get the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. You definitely want to do waterproof, water-resistant products if you're going to be in the sun, especially beach or pool parties, because you don't want to sweat off the makeup and it's going to be really hot. When you have a bunch of makeup on, foundation and stuff like that, it's super uncomfortable. Like, I wouldn't wear it.
For sure.
What are you going in with?
I'm just setting my T-zone, like I said earlier.
Oh, yeah, okay.
With the MAC Mineral Skin Finish in medium.
Okay. All right, and I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Gimme Sun. This is a good bronzer. We actually both used it in our video yesterday. Did you bring it today?
I didn't, because
you don't want to be like...
I was going through my kit again and I found this and I'm like, oh my god, why didn't I use that yesterday? That would have been so much better. And I just had a moment.
I'm actually putting this around my face to set the liquid bronzer. For people who like their skin more matte, maybe you're my skin tone but you're oilier, definitely you can use more powders. It'll be a little bit better for you. Now, after I put my bronzer on, I'm gonna go in with the Magnolia. It's a dual lip and cheek cream, and this is by Stila. And I'm gonna just apply this as a cheek color.
So I'm using Wonder 2 product, as you can see, been used, ride or die. Anyway,
tell them how we met.
So we both worked at MAC together. That's like how we met, but how we bonded was when we would go to basic training for MAC. Anybody who...
They could just pair you together with like anybody.
Yeah,
like
but
you had
like,
to sleep in the same hotel room with them, even if you didn't know this person like that. But
we got real comfortable. It was like, you know, when you're like basically living with somebody, you find their little like quirks out.
Yeah.
We find our quirks out.
I mean, you didn't have any. You're normal. I'm the abnormal one. So I've been working for MAC for a little bit longer, but I transferred from Massachusetts to Florida. When I transferred to Florida, she was already in the counter that I transferred into.
Yeah.
How many hours were you?
15.
Like
I was 15.
Oh, you were only a 15 hour?
Yeah,
I was a 12 hour.
Yeah.
I was a 12 hour because that's all they had available at the counter I was at.
I took the 15.
Because you took the 15? But I'm so glad, because if I had to do more than 12, I would die.
Oh, yeah.
Torture. When I had my son and I moved away, she would always come and see Jet. Literally.
Cutest thing ever.
Literally every, like, how often? Every few months. She wouldn't go a few months without coming to see him. I'm going to set my makeup with my Anastasia waterproof brow gel. And me.
And
but I know it was mostly
you're important,
Jet.
too.
I'm just kidding.
Gotta feed that ego.
Thanks, girl. You know.
I'm just going to put Carmax on. That's a ritual for me in the morning now.
Carmax?
Yeah.
I heard that was so bad for you.
It probably is, but...
Why don't you get the Dr. Bronner's organic one? I promise you, it's just as... It's the only chapstick I've ever used that...
Dude, I got this at the dollar store.
Listen, I'm gonna get it for you. $2.99. So yeah, the Anastasia brow gel is really good for people with fuller eyebrows. Yeah, it would benefit me if I filled them in some, but I don't really care. I just want them to stay in place, kind of.
Yeah. So I'm gonna finish my skin off with a highlighter just to give me that little extra glow, just for those photos. Because you know you can't go to the beach without taking a photo.
It's okay. I like this natural thing I got going on.
Yeah, because you use the cream products, you're giving that natural glow already.
It's so pretty, yeah. Love it.
But this is just a little bit. Inglot, love their products.
Yeah, their eyeliners are so good and waterproof. The black liner, the white eyeliner, all that. I'll use my my mineral skin finish mirror. Okay, so for mascara, I'm gonna be using my DiorShow Blue Mascara. Honestly, this is the cutest mascara when you go to the pool or the beach. I like it because it's blue, so it reminds me of like water. On darker skin, it is absolutely beautiful. They discontinued this one, but they sell a different one in Sephora. However, it is still a blue mascara. It's waterproof, so still get it. If you guys want to intensify the blue that this has, definitely prime your eyelashes with eyelash primer, because this has like that white coating. The blue mascara is gonna show up so much more.
Well, I just curled mine really quick, and then I'm just gonna do my brows and then put on my mascara. I don't know why I like to do that. I feel like curling it, I just like them to settle a little.
I did that first too, and then I did my brows.
Okay, yeah. So I'm using the MAC Prolongwear Waterproof Brow Set. This one has a little bit of a tint to it. It's in Emphatically Blonde. Kind of the same concept of the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Just grooms just set, because this has a little tint, it almost fills it a little bit more.
But she
yeah,
has enough. She has good brows for that. I feel like when I put the brown one on my eyebrows alone, like I did that in my 5-minute makeup tutorial, I feel like they almost look patchy because I don't have enough hair. Does that make sense? No? All right, I'm going in with this blue mascara. I hope you guys can see this in this lighting.
I don't know. This sun is blinding.
Yeah, it is.
Blinding. I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to put on mascara.
Really? No, you can't. Just look down.
So I'm going to go in with the MAC Waterproof Hot and Naughty product. I love this. I can go swimming with this. It will not move. Like, I literally need an oil to take this off. Have you used this before?
No.
Oh my god.
A long time ago, because you probably got it for goddess or something. But I don't like how flimsy the thing is.
Well, you just use this the second part, the thicker part.
Once I put my mascara on, that's basically it for me.
Me too.
So bright.
Actually, I do have one more step.
What?
I like to set my products, but because it's a beach way, now this is like, I've used it. Sorry guys.
Sorry about that.
So because it's a beach makeup, I still do like to set it when you're setting yours. So
Yeah.
you set yours too?
Yeah, I always spray it back. And then
But I wanted to have a little bit extra protection just because I am so fair, and I've used this product so much it's like all busted and dirty and disgusting.
and
but
she's actually tan right now.
this is called Supergoop, and it is a setting mist that has an SPF 50, but it's waterproof, sweat resistant, all that good stuff, so it's gonna make your makeup stay on longer and still give you that added protection.
I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pretty Me Up. It's a Tendertalk lip balm. It's basically a colored lip moisturizer that we sold, which we were talking about yesterday, that in my counter it sold out so fast. Like, we didn't even have these colors left, but they're so pretty. I hope that they can catch it, but it's just this, the one I got was like a nice little corally color.
That actually looks like so cute on you.
Really?
Yeah.
Get you a friend like this.
Anything else you want to chit chat about?
No.
Chit chat.
I really enjoy filming out here.
I did too.
enjoy doing
It's
this.
so nice.
It's so beautiful.
You're seeing people like walk their dogs.
And they're like, what are those two girls
with the
doing?
water.
You think they're wondering what we're doing?
Probably, yeah.
So we really enjoyed filming this for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, something different. I wish like you guys can watch the beach with us.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it was way too
Overexposed.
And until next time, mwah. Bye.
Bye.